Welcome back. And now we are going to take some little piece of grammar. The linkers of purpose. We use these linkers to describe the purpose of an action, why we do something. For example, we use so that, so as not to, and in order to. Let's see first some information about the linkers. But first, let's compare the reason versus purpose. We use linkers to describe the purpose of an action or why we do it. Because is for the reason. When you talk about the reason, when you have the reason, you use because. For example, you say, my brother has taken a job because he has no money. Look at this sentence. My brother has taken a job because he has no money. Here, has no money is the reason. So, he has no money is the reason, so we put because before it. Let's take another example, and the same example actually, but with different thing. My brother has taken a job to support his family. This is different somehow. In the first one, you have a full sentence. You say, he has no money. But the second one, after to, you only have the verb, the base verb, without to. So, to support his family. Support his family here is the purpose of the job, why he takes a job, to support his family. So, here we have two different things. Reason used because, and the purpose we use to. Let's move on to make it bigger. To, the same, you can say to, you can say in order to, you can say so as to. They are all to. Just look at them as if they are to. In order to, so as to. And the same with not in the negative. If you say not to, the same like in order not to, so as not to. And remember, you have to use the infinitive, the base verb without to. Let's go ahead and get some examples for this. She wakes up early in order to be on time to work. Look here, we have be. This is the infinitive. So be on time to work is the purpose. So again, these things, to, in order to, so as to, they are followed by the purpose. Why we do the thing or that part of the sentence before it, before to. She wakes up early in order to, the same, she wakes up early in order to be on time to work. Alright, the same, alright. So as to be on time to work gives the same, alright. All are talking about purpose, alright. Now, in order that, so as that, we don't have to here. What is this? Is it different? No, it also gives the purpose, but it's just the sentence here that is different. Here we have got a phrase here. This one that uses a phrase. You need to have a subject and a verb and so on. So this one that needs this. But if you go to the last one here, you just have the to and followed by the infinitive. So here to followed by the infinitive. In order to followed by the infinitive be. And so as to followed by the infinitive. But this one is followed by that. For example, here we say, she wakes up early in order that she can arrive on time. So again here, if you look at this sentence here, we say, she can arrive on time. She is a subject and can arrive is a verb and so on. So in order that, the problem is not in order, is not in so as, it's in that, because that is followed by a phrase. Alright, let's go on. So she can arrive on time is a purpose. She wakes up early so as that. We have the same sentence, but in order that is different. Alright, so as that, they have the same meaning. So she can arrive on time and still she can arrive on time is the purpose. Alright, now it's your time, my dear. Give yourself seconds, look at this sentence and which one is the best answer. He got a visa, he can travel to the USA. He got a visa so as to he can travel or so that he can travel. Which one is right? Yes, so that. Because that is followed by a sentence, he can travel. Let's go to the other one. so as to and so that. He got a visa, travel. Now what is different here from the last one? This one, there was he can travel, but the next one is travel. We don't have he can. It's the verb immediately. So what is followed by the verb? So as to or so that. Yes, this time so as to, because to is followed by the infinitive. So again, in that part we had so that because it's followed by he can travel. This is a full phrase, okay? And this one, so as to, we used so as to because it's followed by the infinitive. So let's go ahead to another example. In order to and in order that. We have got the same. I didn't change the sentence just to make it clear, just to get the difference between all these links. He got a visa, he can travel. He can travel. Which one? You remember that one? To and that? Yes. So that, in order that, because it's followed by he can. Let's take another one. He got a visa and now we deleted he can. It's a travel to the USA. What is the best answer? Yes, correct. In order that, in order to, because to is followed by the infinitive. And now let's go back. I hope that you got the meaning of today's lesson. Let's go back to Learner's Book, page 87. Why would we go to page 87 where we have the text? Yes. Find examples of linkers of purpose in that text. Write them down. So this is your time to work. You will go back to the text. Okay, and you are going to get all the linkers there. Take your time. Now we are back. Let's see some examples. Yeah, this one we said the workers use a long stick with a machete. Okay, a machete, a type of knife to cut down the butt so as not to break the tree, which is very fragile. Okay, and also we have this one with so that, and we have another one with in order that to be turned, and that so that the beans. So, and we still have another one in order to make the paste sweet. Here look, we have make, so we used in order to. I hope that you answered them correctly. Let's go to your Learner's Book, page 87. Here you are going to complete the information about the chocolate production using linkers of purpose. Use the text to help you. Here I don't have the normal questions of a grammar. This time I'm using different types of to teach you grammar. This is I depend on the text. I depend on your understanding, and you get the information out of text. And here, complete the information using linkers of purpose. Use the text to help you. So you are going to go back to the text and try to make it help you. A machete is used. Yes, so as not to break the tree. So as not to. They use their hands. Yes, so that the beans inside don't break. The beans are left in the sun. Why? So that what? Yes, so that they can dry. Sugar is added. Yes, in order to make the paste sweet. The mixture is cooled in order to make the final product. By the way, one of the students told me that it's fast. Still, when you watch it in YouTube, you still can make it slower. Go to the settings and you click on the settings and the speed, and you can make it slower, or you want to faster, make it faster. Okay, thank you. Let's go ahead. Word study. Match the sentence halves. This is another type of a question that will teach you grammar without the normal ways you got used to. In order to make the flavor, just write what? Yes, sweeteners and flavors are added. skilled operators break up the sheets of sticks. Why? Yeah, in order to damage the gum. And the gum base is melted so that it is purified. So again, if you look here, so that is followed by it is, and in order not to is followed by damage. Okay, let's go ahead to your activity book, page 71. It's a very good one. Here we look at the pictures showing how bread is made. This time it's very easy. It's a bread. Complete sentences with words from the box. Use your dictionary to help you. Here we have yeast, salt, here I had baked ingredients, seeds, mix, loaf, and nuts. Number 1, take your time. Back. Bread is made from flour, water, yeast, and salt. Yes. Number 2, first you, yes, mix the ingredients to make the dough. Okay. Then you what? What is the verb here? Yani. You don't say the K. In order to make a loaf. Let's go to 4. What is the first answer? Extra ingredients. Yeah. Yes, add extra ingredients. And yes, nuts and seeds. Thank you very much. Let's go to the next one. The last one here, then the bread is baked in the oven. Okay, thank you. Now let's go to your learner's book, page 87. This is our last activity. Choose one of these food products to write about. Find out information about them in your local library or on the internet. Was it made from? What was it? What is it made from? Where is it grown and why? How is it grown? How is it harvested or collected? How is it manufactured? Find a picture of your product and display this with the process in your class. Okay, or to one of your friends. This is for homework. Try to find it over the internet. Thank you very much. I was very happy to be with you. Thank you very much.